136. Next year probably 110 maybe. 5 months. They're all thin this year, they won't get so many twins. It's dry. It's all about feeding. Sheep farming's simple. You don't need to go to university. It's like a steam engine. Sit down. Sit down. That's all. It's a feeding job. Oh no. Oh no, I've just sold all my lambs. You have irrigation. You have irrigation. Here we have flat land, irrigation. You might buy 50,000 a year. Come by. Sit down. Walk. Walk, smoke. Walk. Walk, smoke.
Look at it, those dogs. I'm looking at that dog. It's threatening.
No.
I gotta go.
Two. It's amazing. Sit down. Get in. Smoke. Smoke. Sit down, smoke. Get in. Get in. Sit down, smoke. Get in. Get in. Get in. Want to go smoke? Get in. Get in. Want to go smoke? Sit down, smoke. Sit down, smoke. Sit down, smoke. Get in. Sit down, smoke. Sit down, smoke. Get in. Sit down, smoke. Sit down, smoke. Want to go smoke? Want to go? Want to go smoke? Want to go smoke? Want to go smoke? Want to go smoke? Walk up. Get in. Get in. Get in. We'll smoke. Walk up.
But he's really like it.
Okay, we'll take a picture.
Sit down, smoke. Sit down, smoke.
I want to take a dog
Sit down, smoke.
Back out.
Walk, smoke. We'll smoke. We'll smoke. Want to go smoke? 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 Oh, sit down, smoke. Sit down, smoke. Want to go smoke?
Who doesn't like
Want to go smoke? Want to go smoke?
Who doesn't like it?
Want to go smoke? Stop it.
I don't want to get them out.